Hey guys, let's begin the second half of our orientation.
What are we going to talk about now?
In this video, we're going to learn about powered industrial trucks and aerial lift, lockout tagout, confined spaces, and hazard communication.
Hey Chip, what's a powered industrial truck?
Powered industrial trucks, or PITs, also known as forklifts, aerial lifts, and scissor lifts, cannot be used unless trained. If you have a previous license from a different company, it does not apply at FM Industries. Once you're licensed at FM, the license is good for 3 years.
Oh, that's good to know. Maybe I should get mine renewed. Okay, what's LOTO? Am I gonna win something?
LOTO is lockout tagout. This is the OSHA standard for control of hazardous energy. LOTO exists to protect employees by addressing the necessary steps to disable machinery or equipment that could release hazardous energy or unexpectedly start. Lockout is the device that locks the energy in isolation and prevents the machine from being turned on. And tag out is a warning for employees, a tag that lets you know who applied the lock and how to contact them.
Oh, who can place those locks?
Only authorized employees and facilities maintenance are allowed to place and remove locks. The rest of us are considered affected employees but are not authorized to perform lockout tagout. This brings us to machine guarding. Crushed hands and arms, severed fingers, blindness, the list of possible machinery-related injuries is horrifying. Safeguards are essential for protecting workers from needless and preventable injuries. A good rule to remember is, any machine part, function, or process which may cause injury must be safeguarded. Where the operation of a machine can injure the operator or other worker, the hazard must be controlled or eliminated.
What are some causes of machine accidents?
Some causes are reaching into clear equipment, not using LOTO, unauthorized persons doing maintenance or using the machines, and missing or loose machine guards.
Oof, what are some types of guards that we use at FM?
Some types of guards that we use at FM include fixed guards, interlocks, and presence sensing devices. The bottom line and thing to remember is never use a machine that is not properly guarded.
Oh, I will not. Okay, let's talk about confined spaces.
First of all, no FM employee is allowed to enter permit-required confined spaces.
Well, what are we doing here then?
Al, we're cartoon characters.
Oh, you're right.
These are called confined spaces because while they're not necessarily designed for people, they're large enough for workers to enter and perform certain jobs. A confined space also has limited or restricted means of entry or exit and is not designed for continuous occupancy. Confined spaces include, but are not limited to, tanks, vessels, silos, storage bins, hoppers, vaults, pits, manholes, tunnels, equipment housing, ductwork, pipelines, etc.
Let's get out of here, Chip.
I'm with you.
Much better out here. Okay, let's talk about a whole bunch of acronyms.
Sounds like fun. That means we're going to talk about hazard communications. OSHA Hazard Communication Standards, HCS, is aligned with the globally harmonized system, GHS, of labels and pictograms to identify hazards. You should study these pictograms and understand the dangers that they symbolize. They are designed to be easily decipherable. For example, this image represents a health hazard, and this represents a flammability. Part of the HazCom standards is accessibility to safety datasheets. These safety datasheets describe the hazards and chemicals present in different work environments, how to protect yourself, and what to do in the event of an exposure. FM has safety datasheets for every chemical in every department. Anyone can access any STS from any computer on MSDS online. Finally, anytime a chemical is put into any secondary container, be sure to label it with the appropriate GHS label.
Well, I feel like I've learned a lot today, Chip.
Good to know, and you will continue to learn even more during your OJT.
OJT?
On-the-job training.
I love these acronyms. Well, we'll see you all later, and remember,
safety first, quality in all we do.